It's an early Sunday morning ride, fairly early anyway, and I'm going to be going to the Amazon locker to pick up some nice clear goggles so I can wear them at night time. Empty park, that's great. Shall I go down that path? Driven down here before, go on then, let's go. So I've done some adjusting on this bike because the headset was loose, and now morning. Got to be friendly, yeah. Give people plenty of room. So yeah, the headset was loose on this bike, which meant when you pull the front brake, the handlebars would rock forward, which was a bit weird. And I looked it up, and it can be a bit dangerous. I'm not sure how. I think more dangerous if you're a mountain biker and you're going over jumps and things like that. Oh dear, what was that? Don't like that noise. Okay. So for me, just cruising about, not doing much really. It's not too bad, but I didn't like it anyway. So I looked up on the YouTube how to fix it. But sadly, here you go, dog. But sadly, you know, I'm kind of going the wrong way here. I might turn around. All the YouTube videos about how to fix headset didn't really help me because this is a foldable bike. So there was a lot of things about undoing Allen keys on handlebars, which I don't need to do because the handlebars aren't even there. And then I did find one on a foldable bike, and there's more Allen keys. Oh, look, some trolleys. Weird. So I couldn't find anything. So basically I had to just look into it myself. And luckily I found out how to do it. So if anyone does want to know how to sort out a loose headset on the foldable bike without any hex nuts, apart from the main hex nut, then let me know. Right, so we're going to go direct to Amazon now. Oh, I forgot my code. I'll have to check that when I get there. Oh, I do like a Sunday morning ride. Nice weather. Friendly people about. I don't feel like people want to steal the bike, which is nice. Oh, I'm going to check my mirror. I should check. Get the mirror in a good position. Oh, I've got to walk through this. I added a couple more things to the bike. I added a bag on the back, so I can put on my, well, I think I'm going to put a pump in that. So I've currently got that pump down there. I don't know if you can see that. It looks a bit of a mess. It's not great. Eventually I'll get one of those air compressor pumps, which I did not know existed. Literally, like you charge them up, like USB, and they can pump up like car tyres and everything. I'm going to cross with these guys. No, I won't. I'll cross further down. I used to always get thorns here. There's like them bushes, they're thorn bushes. So I'm going to try not to drive it along that, even though there's a what's it called? Bike lane. So I'm going to get this package. And then we're going to teach Jess how to ride a bike again, which she wants to do on a mud track. Let's go over some grass. Hopefully it's not too bumpy. Hidden bumps I don't know about. Let's pick up the speed a bit. It is nice to be able to just cruise over grass like this. Woo! Let's get across here. Oh, too late. right. Oh, you can't see these, can you? Because you're only looking straight forward. Right. This mirror, yeah, that mirror's in a good place. You've got to have a wing mirror on a bike, very, very important. Well, you don't have to, but when I first started riding this anywhere near roads, it was like very uncomfortable. I needed to know if there's a car behind me. Let's get in that cycle lane. And with the mirror going underneath helps a hell of a lot. Whee! Oh, I don't like going under these. I never used to go under these. Never ever. And then this one time I used to ride to work every day I'd avoid it. And I'd always avoid it, never go under. And this one time I had to, because I think there was roadworks. And I was like, well, I could go on the road to go around it, so I'll just go under it. I mean, it's a bit of a superstition. I don't really believe in superstitions. And I thought, you know what? I'll just go under it. And I went under it, and spit dripped on my head. Basically, my mate who was with me, Jimmy, as he went under it, he spat on it. And as I went under it, dripped on my head. Very nice. What's my code? 191776. Right. Now I'm going to try and get this up my jumper. I wonder if the guy ever sees me riding on around here. What's he doing? He must be doing like the equivalent of Uber Eats, but for Amazon packages. Oh, it always does that. Clear. Yeah, I'm up there. Right. Up there. I'll get that on my jumper. Right, nothing. Oh, do you mean? Oh, there's a little mirror up there. That's handy. Okay, nothing there. There we go. That's all I want. You know, I might as well open these now and recycle. Well, you get a free unboxing. Okay, it's just box, packaging, goggles. Let's check the goggles are okay. Yep, they're fine. You often don't need a box these days to... Oh, they're all locked, so I can't recycle. There we go. Thanks, Amazon. Let's put that in my pocket. And off we go. Be careful, new car's coming. Back home. And it's time to teach Jess how to ride a bike. So I got my clear goggles. So I went for my night ride the other day on the last video. Went to put my goggles on, and they're like shaded goggles, and I was like, oh, that's a bit dark, can't see anything. So I got some white goggles off Amazon. Seem really nice, quite cheap. It's one of them Chinese brands, I've never heard of them, but they got good reviews. They got some bad reviews as well. They've probably got some fake reviews. But I like them. Let's cross here. Oh wow, he's going fast. On a normal bike. Oh, sorry, I pressed the button and there's no one coming. Oh well. I'll be going by the time they find out. Right, I'm gonna call it there. So thanks for tuning in if you did. If you like watching people ride e-bikes and cruise around, this was me on the ADO A20F, which is a lovely little bike. Full review on my main channel, link below. Sign off. So if you enjoyed spending that little bit of time with me, click that like button, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.